Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, in this video I will share a little tutorial make the chocolate pudding. Okay, before that I will introduce myself. My name is Rahma WATI, you can call me Rahma. I am from Subang City. I am from grade 1 E Islamic Religious Education Department. Okay, let's start this tutorial on making chocolate pudding. First, we prepare the first ingredients. Well, the ingredients we need are chocolate liquid milk, 800 grams of granulated sugar, 1 sachet of chocolatos, 1 sachet agar-agar, 4 pieces of fresh bread. Step first, we remove the skin from the fresh bread. After that, cut the bread. Put the cut bread into the blender. Then input chocolatos, agar-agar, and the last input of liquid milk that has been prepared earlier. After all the ingredients in the input, let's stir in the mixing. Next step, prepare the pan, then put the ingredients already in the mixture. Don't forget to keep stirring until it's boiled. Turn it on a medium heat. Put granulated sugar, okay guys, turn out the gas canister at the plated. I will change the gas canister.
2,000 years later, 6.5 hours later, a few inches later.
It is on the stove again. Stir constantly until boiled. Once boiling, prepare a mold container for the pudding. Don't forget to turn off the stove. Put the pudding in the mold, whatever you want any shape, but here I use the box mold. After that, we'll let stand 20 until 25 minutes, then put in the refrigerator. And chocolate pudding can already be enjoyed. Goodbye friends. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.